every crispy, golden KFC chicken lies a fascinating journey of industrial food production. Ever wondered how millions of pieces of chicken are transformed from raw ingredients into those iconic flavor-packed meals? Join us as we pull back the curtain on KFC's massive food manufacturing process that brings that secret recipe to your plate in just minutes. Imagine being rejected more than 1,000 times, but still managing to build a global chicken empire. Just like Colonel Sanders. Harland Sanders, born on September 9, 1890, in Indiana, faced early hardships. In his 40s, while running a gas station in Kentucky, by 1964, at age 74, Sanders had grown KFC to over 600 franchises. Chicken, a cornerstone of KFC's menu, is sourced from multiple poultry suppliers worldwide. KFC is committed to serving high-quality chicken while maintaining strict safety and ethical standards. Their suppliers must follow guidelines that cover animal welfare, food safety, and environmental sustainability. To ensure these standards are met, KFC conducts regular audits of its suppliers. These audits check that animals are treated humanely, food safety procedures are followed, and environmentally sustainable practices are in place. Many suppliers are also certified by organizations like the Global Food Safety Initiative, or GFSI, which enforces top-tier food safety standards. Feathers are removed using a hot water bath followed by a picker machine, which includes hundreds of little rubber fingers that rotate around to remove the feathers. The chicken's outer surface is washed with high-pressure water and food-safe solutions to remove feathers, dirt, and debris, while the internal cavity is flushed with clean water to eliminate blood and tissue. And lungs in one motion. Each chicken undergoes inspection by both plant workers and USDA inspectors to check for diseases or issues like bruising. Only a small percentage of birds are rejected. Chickens that meet the standards after undergoing rigorous quality inspections are moved in an automated process to be separated into different parts. The chickens are placed on an automated conveyor system, where they are precisely positioned using hooks or clamps. This ensures that each chicken is in the correct position for the cutting machines to perform their operations efficiently. Such as breast meat is processed with great precision by the machinery. The process begins by loading front halves onto specialized saddles that securely hold the bird. Specific cutting tools based on the programmed recipe automatically perform precise cuts to ensure consistent product quality. Once the birds are pre-cut, they move to manual harvesting stations, where fillets After the meat is carefully separated from the bones, It is scanned using advanced X-ray bone detection technology to identify any remaining fragments. Pieces flagged by the machine are sent for manual inspection, where workers remove any residual bones by hand. Boneless meat is directed to a smart processing line that intelligently releases products only when they align with the batch recipe requirements. C. The recipe for this seasoning mix is a closely guarded secret. After marination, the chicken is coated in KFC's signature breading mixture, which includes flour and a unique blend of seasonings. This process ensures the chicken is evenly coated, creating its characteristic crispy texture. Hot oil. As the fryer heats up, it builds pressure, which helps to lock in the moisture that would normally escape in regular frying. This results in chicken that's not only crispy on the outside, but incredibly tender and juicy on the inside, delivering that perfect bite everyone craves. The freshly fried golden brown chicken is served piping hot, either as standalone pieces or in meals accompanied by sides and drinks. America's biggest frozen pizza factories, where they pump out 50,000 pizzas every hour. It's incredible! Did you know that pizza has a history that spans centuries and continents? Pizza's story begins not in the modern world, but in ancient Greece and Rome, where flatbreads and panis focaccia were the early ancestors of this global favorite. By the 1700s, pizza was a popular street food in Naples, providing cheap, simple meals for workers. In 1889, Rafael Esposito created Pizza Margherita to honor Queen Margherita, using ingredients that represented the Italian flag: tomato, mozzarella, and basil. This marked the birth of modern pizza. When Italians immigrated to the US in the late 19th and early 20th centuries, they brought pizza with them. After World War II, American soldiers returning from Italy flattened into smooth, even sheets by large rolling machines. The dough is rolled into smooth sheets and passed through a spiked roller to create tiny holes, preventing air bubbles and keeping it flat. Then, precise machines cut the dough into perfect, round pizza bases, ready for the next step. This is another way to shape pizza bases. Precision pressing machines shape dough balls into uniformly round bases of consistent thickness. The dough balls are aligned on the platform, and the machine applies controlled pressure. Depending on the final product, the pizza bases are baked in the oven. After baking, the hot pizza bases are transferred to a large multi-tiered rotating tower, where they are gradually cooled. Pull nozzles for an even spray, while others rotate to cover the base in a consistent layer. Next comes the exciting part, toppings. Rotating machines gently place toppings like meats and vegetables onto the pizzas in carefully measured amounts. The lines are smartly designed so that any toppings that fall off are collected and reused, making sure nothing goes to waste. Shredded cheese is sprinkled over the pizzas using special dispensers. The pizzas are placed into a colossal industrial tunnel oven. These ovens operate at temperatures of 450 to 550 degrees Fahrenheit and can bake up to 400 pizzas every minute. After coming out of the oven, the pizzas are quickly cooled to preserve their freshness. Are finally complete. The pizzas are then moved to the packaging area, where they are placed on cardboard discs for support. High-speed wrapping machines apply a multi-layered plastic film that seals the pizza airtight, preventing freezer burn and moisture. These facilities are truly a testament to how technology can scale up traditional processes while maintaining quality and taste, right?